Hi friends, welcome to the Fusion Paradise.
Today we are gonna make a tasty cheese omelet. So let's look what are the ingredients. The ingredients are egg, finely chopped onion, chopped green chili, milk, pepper, salt, grated cheese, parsley and butter. We have taken 3 eggs in a bowl. So let's beat them properly. We have beaten the egg. Then add 3 tablespoons of onion. Now we can add 1 tablespoon of green chili. Now 2 tablespoons of milk. And salt as required. Now let us beat them properly. Now let us prepare the omelette. The pan. So first we can grease the pan with butter. Butter has started to melt. The butter has been melted completely. Now we can put the mix into the pan. So now we can add the grated cheese. So now we can add a bit of pepper. We can add parsley. Now let us close the lid and cook it for some time. Now the cheese omelette is cooked. Now we can transfer it into the serving plate.
Please subscribe my channel and watch and like my videos. Thank you.